What's good, Humble Squad? It's your boy HumbleZiggy, and we back here with another reaction, and we back with another Pure Juice UK Drill reaction, and we got his Barou. I forgot how I said his name, Barou, because sometimes with the using certain anime names, it mean something so. So I say Barou UK Drill Blue Lock Rap. You already know. So first, let me just check real quick. Oh, sorry if I moved y'all. Yeah, we good. Sorry. You always know. You can say I have a little OCD. You can say just a little. Just always gotta check certain things. But we here with it. And hey, one thing with Pure Juice, when the songs are like the shorter ones, they be low key some bangers in there. So hey, one thing's for sure and two things for certain, but whether they're short songs or long ones, he be doing the do. Pause. Don't you dare. But either way, we about to check this out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials up there. And without further ado, let's get it.
You can't shine on my pitch, I'm a solar eclipse. They on teammates and donkeys, they exist to give me a assist. They do the miles, they do the trips, I do the milestones, I'm a true egoist. If I can't be the hero, I'ma antagonize the protagonist. They say that I'm stealing goals, but a king can't steal what's rightfully his. Toby Maguire got bit.
And hey, hold on. And he be always calling. And for people who haven't even watched Blue Lock, just know he actually calls them donkeys. It's not just a. Don't think of it as a. Because I know 9 times out of 10, most people, certain people, when they're watching something for the first time, they might have some takes where, oh, it might be racist and this and that. Well, certain times, just a little. But if you haven't watched Blue Lock, he's always calling his teammate donkeys. So. And he's known as the king. Sometimes when I see him, he's crazy. Anytime when I see this motherfucker playing, he be crazy. Hey, all I'm gonna say is, if you're watching Blue Lock currently, this nigga crazy, and he takes it up a notch later on, and such. So yeah.
They do the trips, I do the milestones, I'm a true egoist. If I can't be the hero, I'ma antagonize the protagonist. They say that I'm stealing goals, but a king can't steal what's rightfully his. Toby Maguire got bit by a spider. Isagi got bit by a donkey. Devour his life like a black hole. I create chaos, make your defense wonky. One chop turn, I'm breaking ankles like a kick at chunky. King Barou, the conqueror. Why you think I'm emitting hacky? There's no I in T, maybe it's okay if I.
Yeah, the fact that's how crazy, that's how insanely crazy powerful this man is. This man is so got that aura on him, but that nigga got freaking hockey. Only in freaking Blue Lock can the nigga get conquers hockey in this shit. You think this nigga was a reject from One Piece, but no.
Your defense wonky. One chop feint, I'm breaking ankles like a kick at chunky.
Kick at chunky.
Conqueror. Why you think I'm emitting hacky? There's no I in T, maybe it's okay if I pass the ball. Then trust and go to the real heroes, I play the supporting role. Then I heard a monster in my soul. It said there's no I in team, but there's one in striker and King Barou. Heavy is the head down, where's the throne? Never could I be a stepping stone. A side character like Rio. My future's in.
Damn. Why you shooting at Rio for? And hey, heavy is how I say?
Said there's no I in team, but there's one in striker and King Barou. Heavy is the head that wears the throne. Never could I be a stepping.
Technically, it's heavy is who wear the crown. Wait, how does the saying go? Hold on, let me run it back to how the saying went, cause
never could I be a stepping stone. As side character.
No, run it back.
Then I heard a monster in my soul. It said there's no iron team, but there's one in striker and King Barou. Heavy is the head that wears the throne.
Yeah, heavy is the head that wears the throne, but technically he's wrong. Heavy is the head that wears the crown, but I'm guessing he's trying to make it be for the rhyme scheme. But still, though, the fact that it, hey, and let me put y'all on game. Let me just say it like this. I know in the Blue Lock anime it makes it be over exaggerated, but let's be honest. In real life, don't act like some of the favorite soccer players out there, or as we Caribbeans and West European people or so, we call it football. Don't act like them motherfuckers don't have a little bit of ego in them. You need to tell me that they only some of the best ones like Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, Drogba, Lampard. You think all of them they were named the best only because they were doing like passing and such? Nah, son. The same way how some of y'all American football players, basketball players, and all that. Same way how y'all having y'all names for a reason with shit y'all be doing and the charisma y'all be doing, they be doing that as well. So don't think that they don't got a little bit of ego in them, because they do.
It said there's no iron team, but there's one in striker and King Barou. Heavy is the head that wears the throne. Never gonna be a stepping stone. A side character like Rio. My future's in my control. It's dependent on my actions. It's 1 verse 21. Fuck a chemical reaction. Why I got bit by a spider. Ziggy got bit by a donkey. Devour is light like a black hole. I create chaos, make your defense wonky. One chop pain, I'm breaking ankles like a kick at chunky.
I like this beat though.
Why you think I'm admitting hacky? That boy cried wolf and I cried pass. Same shit on a different day. Teamwork is a worm on a hook. I fake pass it and they fall for the bait. Fool them once, that shame on them. Fool them twice, cut their pay. You ain't never seen a lion sharing his prey. So why would I pass on a play?
DJ. This beat though. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, this beat was fire.
Start working smart.
Hey, who produced this beat? Hold on, let me look real quick. Who produced this beat? Hold on, let me just. Damn, he don't even have to just. God. First it was Dizzy, now freaking Pure Juice. Damn it, dude. Y'all, man. You know what? Whatever. But hey, man. Shout out to Pure Juice. It's always the shorter songs that makes it so fire. I don't know why. Because I see it on What It Do Dave's thumbnail and such where it says his shorter songs be the most banger ones. And I kind of agree. But it's like, damn. But hey, either way, shout out to Pure Juice. Keep doing your thing. And like I said, if you're watching Blue Lock, he turns a little cuckoo towards the end. Well, not towards, towards the end. But I guess you can say he's got a reason. But either way, y'all let me know what y'all thought about this down in the comments below. Nice little short reaction. If you made it to the end, comment down below. Donkey. I'm surprised he didn't have a freaking Charlemagne the God bar in here. But hey, it is what it is. Like I said, if you made it to the end, comment down below Donkey, and that makes me know you made it this far. But it's been your boy HumbleZiggy signing out. Stay positive, keep the vibes up, and one more time for Pure Juice, I'm out.